guys, we're here in Manila, Inasal. For our lunch. Mutot yarn? Hi guys.
Ba't ganyan yung ano? Filter niya.
Wala na yung filter. Natural yan.
Let me see.
Inborn. Diba?
Oh, okay.
Ano yan? Wala na yung filter. All natural. Pakita ta itong food.
Say hi, you're fat.
Wala ni... Si baby.
Ay, wow.
Say hi, baby chubby.
Oo, wala. Ano yan?
Say hi,
Prayers.
Baby
Sarap
chubby.
ka.
Say hi.
Prayers lang yan.
Ay, meron din sila ano, DJ.
Say hi, Tita B.
Hi! Kaano ta guys? Funny old soup. Gusto ko yung ano nila. Oh. We're here in LA, Manila, Inasal. Yummy!
Hindi mo mayaman.
Hi!